Okay, earth element. Let's talk about the earth element. I'll make a few short points and provide a few interesting links. And again, this is just to point out that it's one of the foundational necessities for us to have the capacity to live our lives to the fullest. So I guess I'll just talk about my relationship with the earth element and a few things I've learned and benefited from. Minerals, okay, they're all from the earth. When you look around at all that dirt out there, what is it? It's all minerals, right? That's what it is. Now, does that mean you can just go shovel dirt in your mouth and swallow it and you'll get all your minerals? Not necessarily, okay? Humans digest different things in different ways, and there are many different sources of all the same minerals, and some of them are suitable to humans and some aren't. In other words, consuming a mineral doesn't even mean you're necessarily getting what you need. You need it from the right forms. So there will be some links about that. What are some things that the minerals do? Well, if you look at your physical body and you know that most of the weight of it is water, well, what's the rest of the weight of it? It's minerals. Okay, those are the two physical pieces that it's made out of. Water and dirt. Okay? Now, another interesting thing that I've learned about the earth and how the element of earth can be interacted with and benefited from is grounding, electromagnetic grounding. There are grounding pads sold for people that are indoors working at a desk all the time. I have one. It's good for you. Research it. I might link it below. But also, I like to go barefoot on the earth, you know, and electromagnetically ground myself. Go for a walk, go hang out outside, whatever. I started doing it instinctively years ago. I wasn't sure why, but I noticed that then I wanted to do it more. It was making me feel better. It was making me healthier. It was doing something. I'll link something below about that. Electromagnetic grounding and the benefits thereof. And again, like the other elements, the other three essential physical elements of your physical existence here, when you get more of the right minerals in you in the right ratios, when you do electromagnetically ground yourself, you receive benefits of feeling better because you're getting healthier. Okay, your vitality, your well-being, your strength, your clarity of mind, all your capacities are better, and your sense of well-being is better. Therefore, your philosophy, your feelings, how you feel day to day, the way you're thinking, these things are all affected. The more stress we're under, the more pain we're in, emotionally, physically, etc., the more difficult it is to make the best of your life, okay? And we're all struggling with plenty of things, many, okay? Life here is very challenging for all of us in different ways. So anything you can do to bolster your vitality and capacity as a human is going to make it that much more possible for you to live more according to what you really can be, whatever that happens to be for you. And I can't tell you that because that's for you to discover. I'm just pointing out things and reminding us, okay, that in society we're forgetting the foundational things while we're chasing all these other things, okay? I'm not saying don't chase the other things, but not at the expense of forgetting what's necessary. Think about it, guys. All the technology, all the things we've built and tinkered with as humans, none of those are actually necessary for us to live here. But the earth element is, and the air element is, and the fire element is, and the water element is, and we're not interacting with them in a healthy relationship, okay? So that's hurting us. Okay. So that's a few things about the earth element, like I said. If you're interested, there's plenty of interesting things to research. Look below for somewhere to get started. This is one of the 4 legs on your table, without any of which your table will fall down, and that's you in your life. So look at the legs on your table. Are they weak and wobbly and, you know, eroding? Let's make them a lot stronger so they can carry much more of a meaningful life for you. All right.